In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a group chat on Snapchat. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Since this is a very quick and easy process, the only prerequisite is to make sure you have the latest version of the Snapchat app on your device. So either open up the Play Store if you are on Android like me, or the App Store on iOS, look for Snapchat and make sure you don't have any pending updates. As you can see, I do have to update the app, so I'll go ahead and select update to make sure I have access to all the functionalities, including everything included in the group chat. So after Snapchat is properly updated, to make a group chat, you just have to open it up and go into the chat window. So wait for it to install and open the app. After you install any pending updates, like I said, open up the app, click on the chat window, and from here, simply select this little pencil icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Make sure to have everyone you want in the group chat already added by using this button at the top right. Now, click the button on the bottom right, and then select New Group from the top. As you can see, you can make a new group with up to 100 people. Select the little pencil icon next to the name to edit the name however you want, for example, My Cool Group, and then select the people you want to add in the group. So I can select both of these people. As you can see, I don't have many friends right now, but you should have a lot, and then select Chat with Group. Immediately, you will be redirected to the group page where you can start sending messages, snaps, wherever you want, and also use the activities as long as you are on the latest version of the Snapchat app. When you go back to your chat window, you should be able to see the group listed at the top. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a group chat on Snapchat. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.